So I'll do a quick review of simplifying, which is based on the fact that we can multiply square roots. So if you have something complicated here, like 150 x to the third, the first thing I'm going to look for is what perfect square goes into 150. So I could write that as square root of 25 times square root of 6, right? That's 150. I'm going to worry about the x to the third later. But notice, if the only thing going on is multiplication, I can break things up and factor them. And then this is going to work well because square root of 25, I know that. That's 5. So this is going to simplify into a 5. I can't do anything with the 6. Now, as far as the x to the third is concerned, I know that I can write this as, right, x to the third is really x times x times x. And so what I'm really looking is for a pair of x's, right? Because there's my x squared, and the square root of x squared is just a single x. And this doesn't have a partner, so that's going to stay in. So the final answer is 5x square root of 6x. Here's another way of doing it. Another way of doing it is just factor like crazy. You might want to say 150 is 10 times 15, and x times x times x. Okay? I'm just looking for pairs of numbers, so I'm going to break both of these down a little bit. 10 is 2 times 5, and 15 is 5 times 3. So if I'm looking for pairs, it's like playing a card game. I have a pair of 5s, I have a pair of x's. So I know outside I'm going to have a 5, right? The square root of 5 squared is 5. The square root of x squared is x. So each pair comes out as a single thing, and anything that's left over is going to stay inside. So inside I'm going to have 2 times 3 times x.